VRAR stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. The Glimpse Group Incorporated is sitting at $3.25 and it is 21.31% down, which is quite a bit, actually quite of a stretch, I'm not gonna lie. With VRAR, still, yeah, so after I got this double break, I was like, as long as we break these highs, the break even is gonna be put on. Then now a little bit later, like a day later, we're recording this as a -1R, or in other words L, purely because it started going the completely other way around. Now that doesn't mean that this is still not a bullish market for me. Still looking to get involved, because I also have a rule for overtrading where I'm not gonna take more than 2 positions in a range, because then overtrading plays a big role as well. So again, it's all just like a result of refining for cool 4 years. So all I'm doing is waiting. If my double break is mad cool, if not, it's also cool. But if you want to make more money trading in a simple way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.